Alrighty, we are here in Florida near our new headquarters, and we've got the boys from Central West Florida. I guess they're kind of all apart, right? We call them Tampa boys, but some live in the villages.
This is where our 9 million view video is. This is where the epic trails are, right up the street from us.
You don't want to
blow in the spot.
Yeah, we're gonna get cut.
Casey can cut me out, but here we are to make 10 million.
9.7.
So anyway, yeah, we're gonna ride. We're gonna show the boys our spot.
That was Carnage
They
Corner.
did some repairs here, so we're probably in better shape. That used to be
used to be like root.
regardless.
Oh yeah.
But it was fresh.
That one corner everywhere.
Yeah. Oh my God, they're coming! Watch me run through line!
Jeez.
I love that. Right? That's just one. There's a whole nother one over here which is a lot tighter.
So I let go of throttle right here, and I
Boys. Yeah.
You got pushed?
Rad. It's really good to ride this park with like skilled riders, and everyone's like pretty much on the same pace, even though they're learning it. Like
Learning the track, but
adaptive.
like now we're kind of getting it.
Yeah. And it's like a little damp, so it adds like a whole nother level of like technicality. Yeah.
Those
like-
casters might drop.
Yeah, you have to think way more about it. Look at this
I'm getting.
sideburn.
I know.
Fucking...
I'm getting a haircut. I know. I tried to grow it out. I still don't love it.
Sally.
What is this? Sally who?
The flared hair.
Well, we're getting kicked out. Definitely getting kicked out. This is it. This is it. Kicked out.
Trying to kill the people walking?
No.
Yeah, you guys can't be riding those on the path. I see you in here again, I'm calling the cops. Going way too fast. You see the people you're scaring?
Everyone's smiling.
Come on, bro.
Okay.
Are you guys bouncing too, or are you riding one more?
Oh, no.
Oh, hell yeah, we're riding.
Ride's not over yet.
He's going home.
No, you're riding with us.
Good night.
Going to Mainland Park.
Now you going home, boy.
Mainland Park, baby.
You going home in the ambulance.
I just found the best spot. The best newest
Oh.
spot. Let's go.
Ryan Kaufman, bet.
He's coming.
No one. We're all going home.
Sorry, sad boys only.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, let's not do that again.
All right, let's go.
That's why I kept some distance. She's gonna move. She loves it. Let's loop it back around, but make the left. But we'll have to slow down a bit. Slow it up. Make that left. This is an amazing trail, but there's a lot of dog traffic. Oh my God! Holy! Oh my God! Dude!
How did I not freaking flip?
How did you not die? What happened? Is your fork is broken? I bet his fork is snapped. I thought it was terrifying that the lady was in front of us. I was pulling up on you guys to be like, that was the scariest thing, and then boom! I was like, that was the scariest thing. It immediately got topped. Like immediately. Yo, you guys know how to crash. You stay on. Most people try to get off and they die. As long as you squeeze and you tuck up, you generally just Mario Kart, you know?
I totally Mario Kart.
Yeah, you saved it perfect. Good save, dude.
One more run before it starts.
Yeah, dude, that thing smokes them. Hell yeah. Awesome ride, boys.
What a way to send it off with that.
Awesome ride. Hell yeah.
So good.
Hell yeah. Let's go. Great riding.
Nice meeting you guys.